finely chop the onion and garlic. Sauté them in a pan with oil until they soften. Add the spices, bay leaves, grated nutmeg, black cumin, ground coriander, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt, to the pan and sauté. Chop the tomatoes and add them to the pan. Cook until they are softened. Add the tomato paste and continue to sauté. Add the chili peppers and sauté for a few more minutes. Add the shrimp and sauté until they are cooked through. Add the chopped fresh cilantro and sauté briefly. Pour in the tamarind water and stir well. Add the rice with a little salt and 3 cups of water to the shrimp mixture. Allow the water to evaporate. Once the water has evaporated, cover the pan with a lid and let it steam for 30 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy.